Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cutout transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video first, and I am just going to make it a little bit shorter so you guys can see the effect. Then I'm just going to place this video on top like this. I'm just going to place it here a little bit, and then I'm going to copy and paste that. On this one, go to remove background. Actually, let me freeze frame it first. Put it there, and I'm going to select auto removal here. I actually might change it to the 16:9 ratio. And then I am going to, hold on. Place that video there, and then on this one I'm just going to place it on top of both. Actually no, I'll place it here. And then for this one you can add in like any animation that you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.